Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see a new chapter, that is measurements. What is meant by measurements? A number that shows the size or amount of something, that is measurements. The act of determining size, capacity or quantity. The instrument provide accurate measurements. Okay, then you have already studied about area and perimeter of rectangle, square and right angle triangle, isn't it? We have studied in 6th standard. What all you have studied? Square, rectangle and triangle. Rectangle and square has how many sides? Yes, 4 sides. Okay. In square, all the sides are? Yes, it is equal. Then in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay. Then we shall see what is perimeter. Perimeter is a distance around. Okay. Distance around the rectangle, distance around the square, distance around the hexagon, pentagon. Area is the region occupied by the closed shape. Okay. Formula. Area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Yes. L into B square units. L into B square units. This is the area of a rectangle. Okay. Then what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, 2 into L plus B units. Okay. Then area of a square? Yes, A square, square units. Yes, that is S into S, side into side. You can say like that. Then A into A. There is a area of a square. Then perimeter of a square is? Yes, 4A units. Perimeter of a square is 4A units. Then area of a right angle triangle. Area of a right angle triangle. Yes, half into BH square units. Half BH square units. This is the area of a right angle triangle. Then perimeter of a triangle. Sum of all the sides. That is A plus B plus C. You have studied in 6th standard, I think. A plus B plus C units. Okay. Sum of all the sides. Okay. Now find the area and perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 8 meter. What is the area of a rectangle? What is the formula for this? L into B square units. Yes. Now we have L. L is equal to 12 meter and B is equal to 8 meter. Okay. Then 12 into 8. That is equal to 8 2s are 16, 6. Remainder 1. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1, 96 meter square. This is the area of a rectangle. Then say the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B units. Isn't it? Yes. Then you can write as 2 into 12 plus 8. That is equal to 2 into 20. So it is 40 meter. Okay. Then find the area and perimeter of a square whose side is 60 centimeter. Okay. Then solution. area of a square is equal to a square units. Okay. Now we have to multiply 2 times. Here the side A is equal to, the given side A is equal to 60 centimeter, isn't it? Okay, now 60 into 60, that is equal to 36, 6 are 36, 2 zeros are here. So it is centimeter square, 360 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to see the perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? Say the formula for perimeter of a square. It's equal to 4a units, isn't it? So 4 into 60, that is equal to 6 4s are 24, 0 centimeter. Then area of a square is 64 square meter. Then its side is, how to find? A square is equal to 64. So we can write the 64 is 8 into 8. So 8. A is equal to 8. So 8 meter. Okay. Then find the area of a triangle whose base is 13 meter and height is 5 meter. What is the area of a triangle? A triangle is equal to 1 by 2 BH square units. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is B here? Base is equal to 13 meter and height is equal to 5 meter. So 13 into 5. We cannot cancel these anything. So we have to multiply. Into 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 5 1s are 5. 65. So 65 by 2. 65 by 2. Now you have to cancel this or divide and say. What is the half of 65? 32.5 meter square. Okay. So area of a triangle is equal to area of a triangle is equal to 32.5 meter square. Now we are going to see the parallelogram. Okay. This is the shape of the parallelogram. Okay. A pair of sides AB and CD are parallel to each other. Here AB, this is CD. Both sides are parallel to each other. Same. And the other pair of sides BC and AD also parallel to each other. BC and AD is also parallel to each other. The length of the parallel sides are found to be equal. The length of the parallel sides also equal. Then that is, a parallelogram is a four-sided closed shape in which opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Now we shall see the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. The parallelogram, you have the rectangle. Let us draw a rectangle. This is the length, this is the breadth. Area of a rectangle. Here is the height. Okay. So base into height. L into B square units becomes base. This is the base. This is the height. Okay. Base into height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. Then perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to sum of the lengths of four sides. You have to add the sum of the lengths of four sides. Then it is the perimeter of parallelogram. Then we shall see the example 2.1. Find the area and perimeter of a parallelogram given. Okay, they are given a parallelogram. In that they have given the measurements also. Here this is the base, this is the height. Okay, base of the parallelogram is 15 centimeter. Both the sides are equal, no? The parallel sides, both the sides are equal, we said, isn't it? So here also 15 centimeter. Okay. Then next, height of the parallelogram. That is, height of the parallelogram is 4 centimeter. Okay. Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. That is 15 into 4 centimeter square. So 60 centimeter square. Then in step 2, you have to find the perimeter of a parallelogram. What is the perimeter of a parallelogram? Sum of the lengths of 4 sides. So you have to add the 4 sides. Here 15 centimeter means here also. Here what is here? 5 centimeters. So here also 5 centimeters. Because the opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Then in rectangle also opposite sides are equal. So 15 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 40 centimeter. So answer, area is equal to 60 centimeter square. Perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Then there's the second sum. They are given the diagram. We have to write the answers. Here in the diagram they are given this is a height. So for this the base is 9 centimeter. Okay. The base is here 9 centimeter. This will come like this. Okay. Like this it will go. So 9 centimeter is the base for this. So base of the parallelogram B is equal to 9 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram H is equal to 16 centimeter. Then you have to find the area. 9 into 16 is equal to 144 centimeter square. Then next one. Step 2. You have to find the perimeters, isn't it? So here the opposite side is 9 centimeter. Here the opposite side is 18 centimeter. So 9 plus 18 plus 9 plus 18 is equal to 54 centimeter. So area is equal to 144 centimeter square. Perimeter is equal to 54 centimeter. We shall see the example 2.2. One of the sides and the corresponding height of the parallelogram are 12 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. Given. We are drawing a diagram. Okay. Here they are given the one of the side they have given. The one of the side is 12 meter and corresponding height is 8 meter. Okay. Like that you have to draw one parallelogram and write as 12 meter and 8 meter. One side B is equal to 12 meter, height H is equal to 8 meters. To find the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is BH square units. We know that. So 12 into 8 is equal to 96 meter square. So therefore the answer is area of a parallelogram is equal to 96 meter square. Find the height H of the parallelogram whose area and base are given. Whose area and base are given. Yes, that is 368 square centimeter and 23 centimeter. This is area and this is base. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. Okay. Now the formula you have to substitute. Before that you have to draw the diagram. The area they are given as 368 square centimeter and what are they given? One side, that is base they are given. So base is 23 centimeter. That is 23. Then opposite side here also 23 centimeter. You can write here also. Okay. Then given base and area. To find the height of the parallelogram. Solution. Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. Here you are writing the area in 23 into H. Okay. Keep the H here itself. You bring the 23 here means it will become to the denominator. So divide and see. 368 divided by 23. 1 times 23. Then you subtract 138. That is 6 times 138. Then remainder is 0. So 16 is the height. H is equal to 16 centimeter. The height of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter. Example 2.4. The parallelogram has adjacent sides 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. If the distance between its shorter sides is 8 centimeter, find the distance between the longer side. Okay. We are drawing the diagram. What they are given? This is a longer side 12 centimeter and this is a shorter side 9 centimeter. then opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now they are given the height of the shorter side. So 9 is the shorter side. So from this you have to draw a diagram, that is 8 centimeter. Now you have to find the height of the longer side. This is a longer side. This is 12 centimeter. From you have to find this, that is h centimeter. Then step 1. The base of a parallelogram is 9 centimeter. Height is 8 centimeter. Then the whole area, the area inside is B into H, that is 9 8s are 72. Area of a parallelogram is 72 centimeter square. We know the area. Now you take the longer side as base. Base is equal to 12 centimeter. Then you have to find the height. No, keep that as h centimeter. The area of a parallelogram is equal to 72 centimeter square. BH is equal to 72 centimeter square. We know the B base 12 into H is equal to 72. You bring the 12 to the denominator, then H is equal to 72 by 12. Then you cancel 6 centimeter. Now the height of the longer side is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then exercise 2.5. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. If the area is given, find the base and height. Okay. They have said that base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. So height is h. Okay. You draw a diagram and take the base as 3h and height as h. You are writing the area. Height of the parallelogram is h centimeter. Base of the parallelogram is 3h centimeter. Area is equal to 192 square centimeter. Now you have to find the base and height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. BH is equal to 192. So B is 3h, H is h. So h square is equal to 192 by 3. You can cancel. That is 64. So h square is equal to 64. That is 8 into 8. 8 into 8 becomes 8 square. You bring the square this side, means it will become a square root. Okay. Then 8 square and root gets cancelled. And 8 h is equal to 8. Then base is equal to 3 into h, isn't it? So 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Therefore, the height of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter. Base of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter. Now we shall move to the understanding maximum. In that, exercise 29.2. Find the altitude of the parallelogram with area 428.04 centimeter square and base is 24.6 centimeter. Okay, given we are written the area and base. Then what is meant by altitude? Yes, it is height. Altitude means height. The altitude h of the parallelogram you have to find. Okay, then solution. Area of a parallelogram is equal to 428.04 centimeter square. Then BH is equal to, writing the, and you know the base now. Base they are given 24.6 into H is equal to 428.04. Then H is equal to, you have to divide by 24.6. Then you have to make this a whole number. For that you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 100. So it will become as 42,804 divided by 246. Height is equal to 42,804 by 246. You are dividing. After dividing, the answer is 174. Okay. So the height of the parallelogram is equal to 174 centimeter. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.